Hello, painting peeps, and welcome. It's Kathleen from COZ Creations. I cannot tell you how happy I am to be here. My little studio, which was in our massive garage, has been under construction. We put up walls, 2 rooms for me, one for painting and creating, and the other room to kind of display my finished pieces and hopefully to start teaching soon once this craziness is gone from our world. I have been going through withdrawals. I have not painted in 5 days. Rick's upstairs doing stuff and doesn't know I'm down here. My room, everything is covered with sheets, and I had to make do with the paints that I could find because I was going through withdrawals. But anyways, I'm gonna attempt to do a fun painting. If it works out, great. If not, I don't care because I just want to watch my paints move. I've missed them so much, and my paints are happy to see me. They told me so when I got here. So let's talk about what we're doing. I'm not real sure yet, but we are working on a 16 by 20 gallery wrapped canvas. Our colors are whatever I could grab because everything is covered up. I was gonna do a white base coat, but I couldn't find my white paint. But I found a little bit of white paint in the bottom of this cup, and I added to it some yummy colors for our background. I've got golden, cobalt, turquoise, and deco art peacock. So these two mixed together, I don't know how much. I added a little of this and a little of that and mixed it up, and then added a little bit more of this until I got it to a shade that made me smile. This color right here, this yummy black, is the last of my unicorn spit because I couldn't find my Artist Loft black, so I went ahead and made a little cup of this. This yummy color is Chroma Molten Metals, and this is the Plum Purple. Really nice pearlized shade of purple. These are yummy paints, guys. I like them. This guy right here is our golden turquoise, which is one of my new faves. I hope the lighting is okay, guys. Everything, I'm like crammed into this little space with all this stuff behind me covered in sheets. Tomorrow we put 2 coats of paint and we should be good to go in this studio of mine, and I am beyond grateful. Golden green gold in this pretty little cup. We're getting a little funky with our colors today, and I don't care. And this, as you all know, is one of my all-time faves, golden iridescent pearl. So what I think I'm gonna do is I think I'm gonna prep my canvas, and then I'm going to do a swipe either on the upper part of it or the lower part. Haven't decided. And then I'm gonna do a ring pour on whatever side I don't do the swipe on. So as always, I'm glad you're here, guys. I am so glad to be here. I hope you all are doing well and staying safe. Thanks for joining me, guys, in the No Bra Zone. Bye.